Alright everybody, for this recipe you're going to need a whole stick of butter, unsalted, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, cinnamon sugar mix. I found this, but you can also use your own blend of sugar and cinnamon. So first, in the saucepan, get your stick of butter, the cup of water, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it together over medium-high. I added another little splash of vanilla for my liking. Go ahead and add your teaspoon of salt. And your tablespoon of sugar. Mix that well together and go ahead and start cooking it till all the butter is melted and mixed well together with all the other ingredients. Once everything is melted and mixed together, it's time to add your flour. Go ahead and turn your heat down to low. And start mixing in your flour. Once your flour is mixed together, all the lumps gone and everything, go ahead and turn the heat off, and it's going to look a little something like this. Go ahead and transfer it into a bowl and let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes before you start adding your eggs. Once the dough is cooled down enough, you can start adding your eggs one by one, mixing together. You can also use a mixer for this, but I chose to use a spatula. Once you have your 3 eggs mixed and well and combined, it's going to look a little something like this, a little sticky, but this is exactly what you want. Then you're ready for the piping bags. Once you go ahead and transfer into a piping bag, you can also have a pan with about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of oil warming up, ready to fry the batter. Once your oil is heated up and ready to go, you can go ahead and start frying the batter, making your churros. You can do individual strips or do swirls, however you like, and just a couple minutes aside till they're golden brown, flip, and the same, and get them out on a paper towel, drain them, and while they're still hot, rolling them in the cinnamon sugar mix, and dust them off and try them out. And this is how they look in the end. Preferably tastes better when they're warm. And this recipe yields for about this many churros here. I couldn't tell you how many. It's quite a few. You want more, double everything up. And hopefully you like this recipe. I'm just starting this channel off brand new, so if you guys like this content, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below and let me know where I can improve and what other things you guys would like for me to make. It's gonna be a channel of not just cooking but a little bit of everything, and hopefully you guys will like it.